Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Menteri Ketenat Penroisor jong Sorkar Jela ubak sniaw halang dhar hagalak sngi ublei ka arp khandai terik unailar arajar arpuar ula pentip ba Ketenat Penroisor kan sa IT ya ka blueprint hagalai puai terik mentau benai nailar arajar arpuar syaka high level committee hagabayadai bat ka jingpen kenrea ya ki lai spa saupuar tuli gilong yeng kibasah sweepers lane tem yo maulong Hakajing ekran bat ki katto kat ni kilat patai kubor ubak sniaw bhalang dharu layathu bau chairman jong high level committee ubak president tensong ubalong ru usumbut menteri rangba jong jela ulakhot ya kajing yalang jong high level committee haka laipu wei terik mentau benai nailar arjar arpuar ban shim ya karai bakhaddo halor ke blueprint.
Again we'll have a meeting, yes, called by the chairman of the high level committee, the chief minister. We are yet to finalize. After that, you will be able to know everything. Not cancel, we are yet to finalize. So, as a government, we are not willing to go against the wills of the people. So, therefore, we are trying to take everybody on board. That is one of the reason it takes a little bit time. So, hopefully, we will be able to solve it in a very short time. And they have a right to demand. So, as a government, we will examine the matter properly. We cannot simply listen to the demand. Whether the demand is genuine or not, we are yet to utilize on that. Because all these things happening, so therefore government has to examine carefully in order not to harm anybody. Please remember, this is not politics. This is the permanent issue to be solved by us. Don't play the life with the people, with the politics things. Politics are different subjects and real issues different subjects. The meeting our DC has already had a meeting 3-4 places. So they are here to submit the report to me, which one is feasible for the landfill. And after receiving the report, I'll take a call on that. Urban officer, they have went 3-4 places to make awareness for the people. So I'm here to receive the report from them, which is the feasible place to go for that landfill. It may be there, it may be not, I don't know. But hopefully our people will still understand properly. I don't think so to just protest anywhere we are planning. We are planning for our own people, not for any other people. So if they simply oppose anywhere, then how the government will work? Tell you. Let me finalize.